Welcome back guys to my video, and today I'll be playing Minecraft, the normal version. Okay, there's a chest here. Let's see what's inside of this. I'm just gonna break it. I have no matters, I'm just gonna break it. Ooh, I got some achievements. Okay, now where should I go? I should go over here. Yeah, I should go over here because I think I can make my house over here. Guys, wait 2 seconds. Sorry guys, I need to get my mouse. So where did I put it? Put it there, right here. Yeah, I should put it there. There we go. Now let's go. Oh no! Guys, sorry. I'm sorry that I'm like this. I always feel like this when I wake up. I don't know why. So wait there. I'll be back. What's up, guys? What's the music I like? Right down here. We'll be heading this way. You see that? I'll be going all the way over there. I hope there's no zombies. So let's do it. We have a long way to head of us. There's some pigs. I can kill some pigs. Die. Oh, one this. And sweet sir. I'm gonna jump you. I hate this version. Get back here. Get away. Yes, sucker. So we have a long day ahead of us. So we have 2 days. Okay. I want to find the village. Oh my god. There's one. Yes, sucker. I hate you. So I'm not even on the level. I'm not even level 1. What? Oh god, the game crashed. Okay, let's do this. Piggy, chop you. I'm gonna chop you. Chop you. Get back. Get back here. So, let's go over here. I don't know why the music stopped, but who cares? Who cares? I'm freaking there. So, I don't like in this version of Minecraft. Let's check this out. I wanna hit it so much that I need to wait. Okay. I'm not that hungry because I don't know what to say, but this is my question. Sheep. I want to kill you, sheep. Get the banana, sheep. Get the banana. Yes. Oh, my turn. I reached one level. Get back here. Get back. Okay, that's cool. Cool. We need one more sheep. Oh, thank you, sheep, for the beautiful hello. And we're gonna go get some. Oh, is this wheat? Yes, it is. Get some of this. Grab some of this. Oh, we're getting sugar. I love sugar. So we're not gonna drown yet. I wanna go find a village. I wanna train some of these punks. Where's the village? I'm tempted to go over there, but it's too dark. So we're gonna go this way. Okay. We have more pigs to kill. Wait. Inventory. Oh, it's almost gonna break. why is this fast? Let's see. Bam, 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 bam. Seriously, Piggy, seriously, go up there. Ow. Why do I even need this over here? I don't even need. It was about to break. I don't know what to do. It's about to break. I want to get to level. I'm just on level 1 now. I think there's over there. I'm just getting my map. Where's my map? Oh, who cares where's my map? The village should be here soon. Oh, level 2, yes! Oh, look at it. I love this PC version. I can't run no more. Slice. Okay, and I make some experience. Over there, I think it's a village. I kind of see something. Oh, there's just bad black sheep. White sheep. Oh my god, where is this village? I want to find a cave. Let's see if we can survive a cave. So, I want you guys to please like this video. Thumbs up, please. And I will appreciate it, and I'll make some more videos on Minecraft. I'm not gonna go out yet because I want to see what can I find with you guys. What's over here? Oh yeah. Oh. Yes, I can. Oh, this is the desert, dude. I want to go in the desert. Let's try some things. Chop. I need some sand so I can make TNT. I love it. Oh, my break. I break. What is my... So I'm just gonna quickly get some sand for you guys, because I really want some sand. I want some sand to make TNT. I already sure. I'm making over 100 TNT. Here. Little more of the sand, and I'll be good to go. Okay, we have how much sand? I can see. Oh, 30 sand. Oh, that's half. No. Pick that up. Okay, fine. I want to find the village. Guys. I see a pig. And I can't. I want to find some kind. Oh, gravel. I think I need gravel. Yep. And chain. I got enough chain. I can make TNT. I can make TNT. Sucker. I can make TNT. Oh, yes, sucker. I think. Oh, yeah. Oh, I don't want to do that. Right here. What? This is so... Okay, I think we're close to the village. Okay, I'm gonna get these. I know from who they are, but I don't care from who they are. I just want to grab them. There we go. They grabbed them. So I want to head to a cave soon. So where is a cave? Where can I find this freaking cave? Dude, I want to find a cave. I want to find a cave and get some emeralds. Wait. Someone's missing. I'll just do it. This. What can I do with this? Can I build something with it? No, I can't think. So now that I have everything I need, I can make it. deliciousness. Delicious. I mean, not delicious. So, grab this, throw it to there. Get out. Now, grab my stuff. Okay. I've better heard something I tell you. Switch this for this. This goes here. There we go. I have everything I need. Now I place the crafting table right here. Okay. I'm gonna make a sword. Oh yeah, I can make a sword. I can make a sword. Now sword goes here and I think here. There we go. I'm just gonna grab 2 swords. I'm gonna use 2 swords, I think. Yes, I got 2 swords. Grab that. I don't need that anymore. I got a sword. Yes, how fast can I chop your booty? Faster. Give back. I can't. Sneak attack. I'm so dumb. Get over here, piggy. I won't hurt you. I will just kill you. Okay. Now that I'm close to the village, I can snipe some of those villagers. I think at nighttime zombies can go to the village. Zombies may be smarter than me. That's to be sure. Now I don't want you, I want this. Run. Oh no.